Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on November 28, 2023. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.91. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Palantir has surpassed our expectations, delivering a gain of 9.68% since we first recommended buying it 18 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.54% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 30.47% over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 7.91% to 43.93%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected change of 180.8% over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 118.20% to 207.98%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere between $43.01 and $60.70 after 1 year. Our latest update on Palantir brings a headline that states, "Weaker technical forecast for Palantir as the stock is downgraded to hold/accumulate." On the last trading day, the Palantir stock price increased by 3.3%, going from $19.08 to $19.71. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.05%, reaching a low of $19.03 and a high of $19.80. The price has been fluctuating during this period, with no overall change over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume decreased by 6 million shares, and a total of 51 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $995.95 million. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $21.85, while the lowest price was $5.84. Currently, the price is 9.79% or $2.14 below the 52-week high, and 56.2% or $25.29 below the all-time high on January 27, 2021, when it reached $45. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Let's start with the rating from Wedbush on Friday, November 3, 2023. They gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Next, on Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush also rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. Now, let's move on to the rating from Morgan Stanley on Thursday, August 31, 2023. They gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush once again rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Goldman Sachs gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They believe the PE ratio is a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio is also considered a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals for Palantir. The Palantir stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $19.90. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $17.97. Breaking above the short-term average will send a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will send a sell signal. In addition, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may be an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. There were also some negative signals issued, which could have an impact on the short-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 7.64% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots. It gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 36 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 19 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir has found support from accumulated volume at $18.89. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. It's important to note that this stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. In the past day, the stock has had a price range of $0.770, which accounts for 4.05% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.77%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Palantir, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio indicates a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Palantir has an extremely high P/E ratio, suggesting that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $0.0800. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $19.80. If you're considering entering a position and don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this resistance level could be an opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about potential support levels for Palantir. The first support level is at $18.89. If the stock reaches this level and holds, it could be a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. The consensus among multiple analysts is that Palantir is rated as a buy. Now, let's delve into the recent insider trades. On November 20, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 13,187 shares of Class A common stock. On November 20, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 9 shares of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 8,012 shares of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 1,184 shares of Class A common stock. On November 20, 2023, Taylor Ryan D. sold 73,392 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.255. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 8,994,150 shares and sold 13,146,540 shares. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $18.65, which represents a decrease of 5.36%. Please note that this stock tends to have high daily movements, which brings about high risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? While Palantir holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it should be considered as a hold candidate, allowing for potential accumulation as we await further developments. However, it's important to note that there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation, leading us to revise our analysis from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate Palantir to open down by $0.197 and start trading at $19.51. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Wishing you all successful trading and have a fantastic day from the Stock Invest team.